Hello everyone, this is Katrina from Ervan. Today I'm going to introduce you about our sustainable batten NC32. Look at this product, it's very clean, simple and stylish and beautiful. This is a great solution for the eye-friendly applications like the school, education area and the office with the usual less than 19. This product brings the customer with very comfortable visions. But today I'm not going to introduce how we achieve the low glare usual less than 19. I would like to share with you how this product helps you to save money. First of all, it's about the installation cost. When we design the product, the first priority must be easy installation. Look at the end cap. We have the safety lock and we use a screwdriver to unlock it. And then pull the spring end cap using the suction cap to pull the cover off and put it to the ceiling and do the cable installation. So you see, the whole process is very easy and fast. One person is quite enough. So it is electrician friendly and also could save a lot of installation costs. The second point is about saving the painting costs. As we know, today there are a lot of the replacement projects because of the ban of the fluorescent tube. But when we do the replacement, there always have the old painting on the ceiling. So when we design the product, NC32, the waist is around the 160 millimeter. It can well cover the old painting, so no need to do the painting again. It could save the painting cost and also the ideal solution for the refurbishment. And the final point is about saving the stock cost by reducing the SKU. For this product, 60 and power changeable are available. Like one product, we have 12 options with the, like for the 60 changeable, there are 3 options. 3000, 4000 and 6000 Kelvin are available. And for the power changeable, 4 power options. So for one item, there are 12 options are available, which will reduce the SKU and save the storage cost. And the second point is about the function are available with the modular or individual accessories with plug-and-play designs, like the emergency microwave sensor. Before, maybe you need to keep the emergency fixture or microwave fixture. The cost is very high. But today you no need, you just need to keep the on-off button and then buy the emergency or microwave sensor as an accessory and install it very fast and easy with the plug-and-play design. So it can well save your stock costs and also reduce your SKU. So this is about how NC32, the academic batten, save your cost. For more information, please contact us at Ervan. See you. Bye-bye.